Hello students, I hope you get proper knowledge by our videos with curiosity for study of this session. As you already know about Indian and international system, let us revise again. How can we write a number in Indian and international system using commas and in word also? So suppose this is a number. You have to write this number in Indian system and international system using commas. So how we can write this number in Indian system using comma? Indian system. Write this number again. As you already know that we use the term lakh and crore in Indian system. In Indian system, we use the term which we call period also, lakh and crore. Lakh and crore term we use in Indian system. And the period of the number started from right hand side. And what is the period from the starting? Ones. Next one is tens. This is the ones term. Next is tens and next will be 100. Ones, tens, 100. This 100 term contain 3 digits. So from right hand side we have to drop 3 digits and use comma. Next, this contain 3 digit, so this period contain 3 digit and next will be 1000 and 10,000. This both the digit contain 1000 term, so we use the comma before 1000 term. 1000 term, this contain 2 digit, so we have to write these 2 digit like this for remembering. And next we use lakh term. So what will be the next term? Lakh and next is 10 lakh. The dropation is of 2 digit. This also contain 2 digit and last is crore and 10 crore. This also contain 2 digit. So what will be the dropation in Indian system? 3, 2, 2, 2. In Indian system, we use the term lakh and crore and we have to write from the right hand side. The period will be started from ones, tens, 100. Next is 1000 and 10,000. This both the digit contain 1000 term. So what is the dropation of these 1000? 2. 3, 2, 2, 2 in Indian system, because both the 1000, both the lakh term and both the crore term contain 2 digit. So the dropation of the digit will be from the starting, from right hand side will be 3 and next one is 2, 2 and 2. In this way we can write in Indian system using comma. A number can be write using comma in Indian system in this way. And next one is international system. As you know that we use the term million in international system. We use the term million in international system. Write this number again, 622387432. And the dropation of international system will be 3. Next is 3 and next is 3. In Indian system, we use the dropation term like this, 3, 2, 2 and 2. And in international system, we use comma like this, 3, 3. We have to drop from right hand side last 3 digits and next is also 3 digit and next one is also 3 digit. We have to drop 3 digit in this way. And same as Indian system, from right hand side these 3 terms are containing periods ones, tens, hundred, and in international system also these will be ones, tens, and hundred, like Indian system. Next one is the term will be thousand in Indian system, and in international system this is also thousand. Next is 10,000, 10,000. As you see that between these commas there are 3 digits, and in Indian system between the commas there are only 2 digits, so we have to write in for these 2 digits only 10,000 term. And in international system there are 3 digits, so for 3 digit we have to contain 3 digit in a group. For a group, this is called, as you see, these 3 terms are ones, tens, hundred. Ones as 7 is 1000, next is 10,000, next is also 100,000. I hope you properly get knowledge by this, that this is the 100,000 term. And next one is, as you know, million term. So this is the million. This also contains 3 digits. So what is this? 10 million. Same as tens term and same as 100 term. This is 100 million simply. Indian system, the dropation is this, like 3, 2, 2, 2, and for these two we contain only ones and tens, 1000 and 10,000 only in this 10 term. And in international system, as you see that there are 3 digits, so for 3 digits we use 100 terms. Next, let us see how can we write this number in words. Indian system, 622387432. As you already know that in Indian system we use the dropation system like this, 3222. Use comma, drop the 3 digit and then next 2 and then next 2, and write the periods ones, tens, hundred. This contains 2 digits, so 1000 and 10,000. Here is a comma, and between the commas there are also 2 digits, and we use lakh term, lakh and 10 lakh. Next one is crore and 10 crore. So how we can write this in words? As you know, as you see that these 2 digits called 62. We know that this is a number 62. Simply write 62. And what we write the period 2, period of 2 is crore. We have to write crore. And what we call these 2 digits? We say 23. 23. And what is the period of 3? It's lakh. You have to check last digits period. You have to check only last digits period. What is the period of last digit? Between the comma, what is the period of last digit? You have to see only this. And next 2 digits are 87. 87. And what is the period of 7? It's 1000. And next, you